Hi, this is Ron Edwards with Big Feet Creations. I'm the printer for our chapter of LeTip in Dallas. This week our showboater is going to be Calvin Bennett with High Bar Roofing and Construction.
I thought I'd take this opportunity to break in here and give you a little bit more information about Calvin. You see, Calvin is a new member at LeTip of Dallas. He hasn't done many showboats, and so he would like your support. Show up on Wednesday at 11:30 and look and see what Calvin has to offer, and maybe you'll win a prize.
Our speaker is going to be Al Hewitt with Premier Nationwide Lending.
Again, with not enough information, I thought I'd break in here and let you know Al Hewitt is something special. He is the #1 originator of loans nationwide for Premier Nationwide Lending. That is a big accomplishment. So as our speaker, you can learn a lot from him. You can learn how to erase debt. You can learn how to lower your debt on your home, how to pay less per month. You need to come and listen to Al Hewitt, and he'll set you straight.
Come and see what we're all about. I think you'll like us.